Hello everyone. In the last chapter, we talked about creating winning B2B products. It was all about understanding what your customers need and delivering solutions that matter. But creating a great product is only half the story. Today, we are going to dig deeper into how to optimize distribution channels for B2B success. Now, stick with me because the last few points are game changers and you don't want to miss. See, distribution channels are the bridges between your product and your customers. If these bridges are strong and well constructed, your product reaches the right audience efficiently. But if they are weak or misaligned, even the best product can fail. Now let's break this down step by step and see how you can make your distribution channels work seamlessly for your B2B business. So let's start with what are distribution channels? Simply put, distribution channels are the pathways through which your product or services reach your customers. Now in B2B, this is not just about shipping products from point A to point B. It is about creating a system that ensures your product reaches the right businesses at the right time and in the right way. So distribution channels can include number one is direct sales team, your in-house team directly reaching out to your client. Number two is distributors or resellers, which are third-party partners who sell your product to other businesses. Then third is online platforms, which can be e-commerce websites or digital marketplaces. Then fourth is retail partnerships, which is collaborations with other companies that complement your offerings. So each channel has its pros and cons, and choosing the right mix depends on your product, target audience, and business goals. Now, why are distribution channels crucial? So here's the thing. In B2B, the sales cycle is longer and the buying process is more complex. So it's not just one individual deciding to buy. You are dealing with teams of decision makers, budget constraints, and approval hierarchies. That's why your distribution channels need to be carefully optimized. So let's look at distribution channels. So efficient distribution channels first build trust with clients by ensuring timely delivery. They also reduce cost by streamlining processes. They help you expand your reach to new markets and improve customer experience by offering convenience and reliability. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into how to optimize these channels step by step. So let's start with the step one, understanding your target audience. Now, this might sound obvious, but it's the foundation of everything. If you don't know your audience, how can you reach them effectively? So, you need to ask a few questions. Who are your buyers? Are they large enterprises, small businesses, or specific industries? Then, where are they located? Are they local, regional, or global? Then, how do they prefer to buy? Do they prefer direct interactions or online platforms? For example, if your audience is tech savvy startups, they might prefer online platforms and minimal human interaction. But if you are targeting traditional manufacturers, they might value personal relationships and direct sales. Step 2 is evaluating your current channels. So before making changes, assess what is already in place. Ask yourself, are your current channels effective in reaching your audience? Are there any bottlenecks or inefficiencies? Are you losing potential customers because of gaps in your distribution strategy? Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Say, for example, If you rely solely on direct sales but are missing out on smaller clients who prefer online purchases, that's a gap worth addressing. Now comes step 3, building a multi channel strategy. Why? Because see, in B2B, one size does not fit all. Different clients have different needs. So, using multiple channels can maximize your reach. And here is how. Number one, because combine direct sales team for high value clients with online platforms for smaller businesses. Then use distributors for regions where you don't have a physical presence. Then partner with other businesses that complement your product. For instance, if you sell office management software, team up with a company that provides hardware solutions. Now, step 4 is obvious, leveraging technology. See, technology can be a game changer in optimizing distribution channels. So, here's how to use it effectively. Number one is CRM systems. So, tools like Salesforce or HubSpot help track leads, manage client relationships, and streamline sales processes. Then you have inventory management software. So ensure you have real time data on stock levels to avoid overstocking or running out. Then you have e commerce platforms. So use B2B specific platforms like Alibaba or TradeGecko to simplify transactions. Data analytics analyze customer behavior to predict demand and adjust distribution. Now comes the step 5, which is relationship building. See, in B2B, relationships are everything. Strong distribution channels are built on trust and collaboration. So, whether you are working with distributors, resellers, or direct clients, invest in building long term relationships. How? Communicate regularly. Keep your products partners informed about new products, promotions, and updates. Then provide support. Offer training sessions or resources to help your partners sell your products effectively. Reward loyalty. Now use incentives like discounts or bonuses for partners who consistently deliver results. Then now we have step 6, which is logistics. A smooth supply chain is the backbone of any distribution channel. Delays or errors in delivery can damage your reputation and cost you clients. So optimize routes. Use logistics software to plan efficient delivery routes. Then work with reliable partners. Choose trustworthy shipping and distribution partners. Next, set clear timelines. Ensure everyone in the supply chain knows the expected delivery dates. So, here's a pro tip for you: regularly audit your logistics process to identify and fix inefficiencies. Now comes step 7, which is monitoring and measuring performance. So, how do you know if your distribution channels are working? You measure their performance. And how do you do that? You track key metrics like number one is order fulfillment time. How long does it take to deliver a product? Next is customer satisfaction rates. Are your clients happy with the processes? Then third is cost per order. Are your channels cost effective? You need to ask this question. Then you have market penetration. Are you reaching your target audience effectively? Now use these insights to tweak and improve your strategy over time. Now comes step 8, which is adapting to market conditions. So the business landscape is constantly evolving, whether it is new technology, changing customer expectations, or global events. Staying flexible is key. For example, during the pandemic, many B2B companies had to shift to online channels. Now, those who adapted quickly thrived. Then, if you notice growing demand in a specific region, consider partnering with local distributors to tap into that particular market. Now comes ninth step, which is prioritizing customer experience. See, at the end of the day, your clients are what matters most. A seamless, positive experience can set you apart from competitors. So, simplify processes. Make it easy for customers to place orders, track deliveries, and access support. Second, be responsive. Address queries or issues quickly and effectively. Third, gather feedback. So, regularly ask clients for their opinions on your distribution process and use that feedback to improve. Finally, we have step 10, the last step, which is innovate and experiment. So, don't be afraid to try new things. The most successful businesses are those that innovate. So, test new channels like subscription models or partnerships with influencers in your industry. Experiment with different pricing strategies to see what resonates with your audience. So keep an eye on competitors and learn from their successes as well as mistakes. See, optimizing your distribution channel is not just about moving products, it is about creating a system that aligns with your audience needs, builds trust, and drives growth. It's a process that requires continuous effort, but the rewards are worth it. So, by now, you should have a clear roadmap for making your distribution channels more efficient and effective. But don't stop here. There's always more to learn and implement. In the next chapter or video, we will discuss developing B2B promotion strategies from content to events. This will help you understand how to market your products effectively and make the most of your optimized distribution channels. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and let's continue building success together.